In this video, I'm going to show you how to make this super simple tabletop wreath. I started off with this metal hoop that is attached to a wooden base. It's actually used to display things like basketballs and soccer balls and is usually mounted to the wall, but for this project, I'm going to use it to create this wreath. With some leftover holiday greenery, I cut some clippings off for the pieces that I wanted to use for my wreath. With a pair of pliers, I cut off 3 to 4 inch pieces of floral wire, and then I use those pieces to wrap the clippings around and onto the metal hoop. And then here is how it turned out. So you can kind of have fun with how you want to arrange your clippings. You can choose to go fuller with the greenery or go for a more minimalistic approach, but either way, it adds a really nice touch to any home space. Enjoy working on this project, and thanks for watching.